Did you know that a healer can cause harm without ever meaning to? For 30 years, an old woman tended her garden in silence. She grew plants that most healers never even touched. Rare roots that could slow a fever. Bitter leaves that could quiet pain. She sold them carefully, always asking the same question: who needs healing? One merchant came often. He paid well. He asked few questions. She trusted that. Then one winter, a letter arrived. A name she recognized. A death that made no sense. And slowly, like frost spreading across still water, the truth settled in. The herbs she had grown with such care had not healed anyone. They had been used to end lives, quietly, without trace. She had not acted wrongly, but she had not looked closely enough. And that is the harder lesson. Good intentions do not protect the world from what we fail to see. Wisdom is not just choosing right, it is watching where your choices actually land. Follow Silent Resolve for more anime life lessons.